Well, good day. This is going to be copy and paste and cut and paste. Cut and paste is sometimes called move. And it works like that. Hey, look at that. I just copied that from over there to over there. So there's three ways to copy and paste either text or clip art or anything on your screen. There's three ways to copy and paste. You can use the ribbon buttons, you can use the keyboard, or you can use the mouse. And if you want to cut and paste, also called move, you can do the same three things. You can use the ribbon buttons, you can use the keyboard, or you can use the mouse. Let's watch and see how copy really works. So here's the document I have typed up. It says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I highlighted all those words. I selected those words, and I'm going to copy them. I'm going to copy them down here on my document. So the first thing I do is highlight them, and somehow I do a copy command. And the copy command is going to make a copy of all the words that I have selected and put it out on the mysterious clipboard. The clipboard is someplace inside your computer memory. Then I'm going to move to some new place in my document, maybe right here, and I'm going to give the paste command. And the paste command is going to copy the stuff off the clipboard and put it onto my document. Now really, the things that I have typed are going to be in three places. They are where they originally were. They're in the new place that I copied them to, and there's also a copy sitting out there on that clipboard. Let's learn those three ways to copy. The first thing you have to do to copy is you have to select text. After you select the text, you can give the copy command. The copy command could be using the copy button, and that'll copy things onto the clipboard. Then I'm going to click in some new place and I'm going to give the paste command. And the paste command could be using this button, the paste button. There's other ways to do it besides using this ribbon buttons. I can do it this way. I'll select the text. You always have to select the text. And the copy command could be using the keyboard, Control C. Control C means copy. Then I'll click in a new place and I'll give the paste command, and that is Control V. That's the keyboard way of doing it. And I could do things just with the mouse. Select the text. You always have to select the text. And then I can hold down the Control key and drag my selection to a new place. Now Control starts with a C. Looks like it has four letters, C-T-R-L. Same as copy. Starts with a C. Seems to have four letters, C-O-P-Y. It's easy to remember. Control means copy. So let's give this a try. We're going to try this copy and paste. We'll throw an example up there, maybe this one. Here's a table that I made and I want to make a copy of it. So the first thing I have to do is highlight it or select it. I'll start up here and I'll hold it down, hold it down, hold it down, and I've selected my text and I'm going to use the copy command. And I'm going to go right up here. It's on the home tab. Click copy, and it looks like nothing happened. It looks like nothing happened, but you know something did happen. It copied the stuff that I had highlighted it, and it copied onto that mysterious clipboard. Now I'm going to click in a new place. This is a new place. Now I'm going to paste. The paste command is right here. It's a button to give it a click. And hey, look at that. Copy and paste. Let's undo that, and we'll do it again. This time I will do it with a keyboard. I'll highlight my text. In this case it's a table. That's fine. And I'm going to give the copy command, and this time I'm going to use Control C. I'll hold down the Control and I'll tap the C, and it looks like nothing happened. Now I'm going to click in a new place, and now I'm going to paste. I'll use the keyboard. I'm going to hold down the Control and tap the V for paste, and hey, there it is. Let's undo that, and we'll do it the last way. That is to use the mouse. I'll highlight the text that I want to copy. There it is. And I'll point to this blue stuff any place in the blue, any place that's highlighted. Hold down the Control and don't let go. I have the Control held down, and now I'm going to drag it with my mouse to a new place. I'm going to drag it. Oh, look at it. It's trying to tell me where it's going to go. And I'm going to drag it right about there. That looks like a new place. Let go of the mouse, and now let go of the Control. Hey, look at that. I copied it. Let's go learn how to move. Cut and paste works similarly. Cut and paste is often called move. I've typed some stuff on my document. I selected the text, and now I'm going to give some sort of cut command. And the cut command is going to make a copy of whatever I have selected, and it's going to put a copy out onto that mysterious clipboard. And there it is. So now it's not there on my document anymore. I've cut it out. And now I'm going to move to a new place, maybe down here, and I'm going to give the paste command. And the paste command is going to copy stuff off the clipboard and paste it. Now my stuff is still out on the clipboard. I could move to another new place and paste again, and I can move to another new place and paste again because the copy of what I have cut is out on the clipboard. Hey, let's go give this a try. We're going to try to cut and paste. Let's look at this one. Here's a little document that talks about protecting your identity from criminals, and it says you can lose your identity to criminals by your computer. This is the computer ways that criminals try to get your identity, and then there are some ways that a criminal will try to get your identity that doesn't involve a computer. So maybe I want to take this part that says you don't need to have a computer to be a victim, and I want to cut it out of there, and I want to put it up here instead. I'm going to move it. So it'll be the first thing, and then the computer stuff will be the last thing. So I've selected the text, and now I have to give the cut command. I can use the ribbon buttons. I could use the cut button and then move to a new place and use the paste button. That's one way to move text. I could also use the keyboard method. To cut is Control X, and to paste is the same Control V that it was before. Control X is cut, Control V is paste. And the third way that I could move text is select the text. Oh, you always have to select the text, and I can just drag the selection. I don't have to hold down any key at all. I'll just drag it with my mouse. Those are three ways that I can move text. Let's see if it works. So here's my document. I've selected the text. The first thing I want to do is cut, and I found the button right up here, cut. I'll give it a click, and oh my gosh, where'd it go? It's gone. It went out to that mysterious clipboard, didn't it? Now move to a new place, maybe right up here. This looks like a pretty good spot, and then I'll paste it in. I'll go back up here to paste and paste. Hey, there it is. So the non-computer things are first. Let me undo that, and we'll cut and paste in a different way. Here's the original thing. I've highlighted the text that I want to move. I want to cut it out of there. I've already used the button. What was the other way? How can I do it with the keyboard? The keyboard is, oh, look at that. If you just rested on cut, it would tell you, hey, you could have used Control X, it says. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to click, I'm not going to click. I'm going to stay right here. I'll do Control X. My stuff looks like it's been copied off onto the clipboard. I'll click in a new place. That looks like a new place, and now I'm going to paste. Paste is Control V. I'll hold down the Control. I'll tap the V. Hey, there it is. It's pasted. Let me undo that, and we'll do it the last way. The last way is to select the text and then just point at this blue stuff, not over here, not up here, not right here, anywhere on this blue stuff. And I'm going to just take my mouse and hold it down, 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 hold it down until you get up where you want to go. I want to go right there, and now let go of the mouse. Hey, it moved. Let's look at one more example. Here are the lyrics to the Billie Jean song by Michael Jackson. And if you had to type out the lyrics, you might find out that there's a lot of repeating words in this song. So let me scroll down, and especially near the end of the song, these are his exact words that he really does sing. You think, well, geez, do I have to keep typing these words over and over and over again? Let's see, they're written down there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. This line is repeated 5 times. Let's say I typed it only once. So I typed it once, there it is, and I think, well, do I have to keep typing this thing over and over and over again? No, I don't. I'll just copy it and paste it. So there I have a selected, and I'll go to copy. I'll click in a new place, and then I'll paste. Here's the paste right here. And I can just paste again, and paste again, and paste again. And there you go. What about the bottom down here? Down at the bottom it says, Billie Jean is, Billie Jean is. Not my lover, not my lover. So I see that this part is exactly the same as this part. So I think, well, do I have to type it all twice? Let's get rid of this and pretend like we haven't typed it yet. So I'm going to take this part and I'm going to copy it. Just get right about there and highlight my stuff. Now I'm going to copy. I'll use Control C. Hold down the Control, tap the C, move to a new spot. This looks like a new spot, and paste it with Control V. Hey, there you go. That's about all there is to it.